a 7156 Hedgemaple. So these are pass-through right now. You could just leave these like this. Really pretty front door. Probably repaint when we change out the locks. Tile at the entry. And then we have raised panel doors. Hi! Thank you. Plantation shutters. Plantation shutters. This is the side of the house that gets some of the morning sun. A little bit of wear here. I think the property manager will have to decide in person if the carpet can stay. I need a shower rod. Cabinets look good. Tile. Raised panel doors. I would probably remove this. The walls are white. So we have closet door guides, raised panel. Again, the plantation shutters. This side gets some of the evening light. And we need a shower rod. I guess this is a clothesline. Or actually, I don't know what that is, so I won't touch it again. We need a shower rod in here. Tile looks great. Cabinets and counters look good. Again, raised panel, closet door guides, same. Okay, so I don't know if this one can be saved. I'm going to go with a no. If we could match it to that carpet, then we could just replace this area. These shutters look good. This is the same tile that was upstairs, so it's good to have that consistency. It's so dark. Cabinets look good. Recessed lighting. That's nice. It's a great yard. It's great because we have some mature trees, tons of usable space. These trees provide privacy from these neighbors. And maybe you want to junk those. Remove or secure these possibly. Maybe keep a home warranty until that dies. The AC dies. Looks like it was installed. Yeah, looks really good.
Thank you for letting
Oh yeah, of course. Are you from Hawaii?
Yeah.
Oh, you are? Okay. I thought so, because you were nice. Bye.
Thank you so much.
Definitely. Okay, that's it.